nothing proves the toughness of these Arians mower is today. Just put a little water in there first. Y'all, I've hit so many things out there. I had a freaking boiling pot from the 70s. I think I showed you that. Did a tie down for a trailer. Hit so many limbs that I just stopped trying to not hit limbs. Cheaper to buy blades. Ran out of gas. Let's fill her up. Gonna try. It's on a pedal that I didn't use. But in all fairness, I was looking, didn't see it. Yeah, I've mowed this before. Forgot about it. Happened. Didn't know there was a lot of fake names over there I hit, but whatever. Alright. Guess we'll finish up. By the way, what do you guys listen to when you mow? I have a whole playlist and it would surprise everyone, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, put in the comments below. I'm just interested to know. I may put some on my playlist. My playlist is private, but do it anyway.